Phakathi kwamaphuzu ahlobene nezithinta umthetho kobe kubhekisiswa ikomiti lokusebenza kwansuku zonke lenhlangano, kuphunywe nesiphakamiso sokuthi kuzofanele ukuthi Ruyter alandwe kwelaseJalimani lapho engakhona ukuze azoyichazela ngenkulumo yakhe ekhomba kabi amalungu athile e-ANC njengokuyiwona awahlonza ngokuthi anesandla enkohlakalweni edlalubi kwa-Eskom.
The ANC is pursuing summons on Mr. Ruyter in Hamburg, Germany, demanding that he either substantiate his allegation that the ANC is corrupt organization or retract and apologize.
Leli komiti le-ANC ebelihambele eNorthwest liphindela thola ukuthi kuningi okungahambi kahle komasipala abathile esifundazweni ngenxa yembango yangaphakathi eqenjini.
We suggest internal divisions and how this impact on service delivery to the people of the province. For example, in the Tsobotla, criminal elements are masquerading as ANC leaders, whilst in Rustenburg, the poor working relationship between the offices of the mayor and the speaker threatens to render the entire municipality dysfunctional and bring service delivery to a halt.
I-ANC ifuna ukuthi wonke amalungu eqembu akhanda inkinga egcina ziholela ekufadabaleni kokusebenza ngendlela komasipala eNorthwest athathelwe inyathelo ezoqondiswa izigwegwe.